Santa Cruz figure says it all. Santa Cruz has an area of 370,621 kilometers and occupies 33% of the whole territory of Bolivia, being the largest subnational entity in Latin America, having even a bigger territory than some countries such as Ecuador, Germany, and Vietnam. More than 3 million people live in the department. It harbors more than 62,000 foreigners and over 850,000 migrants from other departments of Bolivia. The influenced area of Santa Cruz consists in 26.6 million people, including those from the states of Mato Grosso and Mato Grosso do Sul in Brazil, the Republic of Paraguay, the provinces of Salta and Jujuy in Argentina, and the regions of Antofagasta, Tarapacá, Arica, and Parinacota in Chile. Santa Cruz produces 70% of the food consumed in Bolivia. The main agricultural products are sugar, wheat, rice, corn, soybean, sunflower, sorghum, cattle, pigs, broiled chickens, and eggs. Santa Cruz exported $3,319 million in 2014 and imported $4,854 million, becoming the leading department of the country's imports. Through Puerto Quijarro, it has access to the Atlantic Ocean, where it moves monthly 1.4 million tons worth of $488 million. It is the axis of the Central Interoceanic Corridor, which links the Pacific with the Atlantic Ocean through the ports of Arica in Chile and Santos in Brazil. It is connected by its railways with Argentina and Brazil. Its road network is 15,430 kilometers. Viru Airport is the main airport in Bolivia, and it represents 82% of the exports and 56% of the imports by air of Bolivia, and it concentrates 50% of the airflow cargo in international fraud. There are over 17 universities in which study more than 12,000 foreign students. It represents 28.5% of the country's GDP, and in 2014 it had a 6.5% growth, outstripping the growth to other countries such as Chile, Brazil, and Peru. It has a sustained growth of trade, and it is estimated to reach over 200,000 meters of shopping centers. Until the end of 2014, more than 40,000 companies were registered, of which 628 companies are distributed throughout 962 hectares in the industrial park, and there is another one with 1,800 hectares for 1,500 companies. It covers 58% of the construction sector of the country. It is the major department with the highest level of credits in Bolivia. During 2014, it accounted 37% of the country's portfolio loans. The gastronomic sector grew 20% in Santa Cruz, registering over 390 new businesses, including restaurants and franchises. In Bolivia, operate more than 250 franchises. In 53% of it is immersed in gastronomic sector. It is the main epicenter of multinational companies. According to the Financial Times, it is positioned in the American continent in first place in regards of cost-benefit. It is among the 50 best cities in Latin America for doing business, according to the American Economy magazine. According to Forbes magazine, it is one of the cities recommended to invest. Santa Cruz, land of opportunities. Santa Cruz, you can even imagine.